Hello, this is Robert Burr at the Rum Rec Dive Bar with another episode of Rum Minute. Today we're looking at Stades Rum Barbados Bond number 8. With this fine aged spirit, West Indies Rum Distillery goes back in time to rekindle a brand name that evokes the early days of rum production on the island of Barbados. German engineer George Stade forever changed the method of producing rum on the island when he installed the first modern column still in 1893. Two rums were issued in 2022 under this new brand, the Beach Vat No. 1 Clear Rum and this aged rum, Stades Rum Barbados Bond No. 8, a blend of aged column distillate and high ester rum made from the old refurbished Greg's Farm copper pot still after a weeks-long fermentation. It's an interesting and artful blend of various marks from 1 to 8 years old that varies from the modern styles often associated with the island of Barbados. This Stades Bond No. 8 expression truly is a reflection of times gone by, and a fitting tribute to George Stade, the man that set the modern standards for rum production on the island. Aromas of Toasted Oak and raisins with stone fruit leads to a bit of cigar box and leather over a suggestion of caramel. On the palate, the toasted oak is complemented by a bouquet of dark fruit compote, baking spices, and a hint of raw cacao. The taste profile finishes with echoes of toasted oak and tropical fruit. This rum delivers fabulous flavor for rum cocktails that demand a robust profile and well-balanced elements. On the rocks, it's a fine casual sipper at a value price and presents a uniquely satisfying aged rum expression when served neat. The new Stades rums have been gaining international recognition almost immediately. The 2022 San Francisco World Spirits Competition awarded Stades rum with double gold certification. The 750 milliliter bottle of Stades Rum Barbados Bond No. 8 at 43% is available widely for about $25.